Hey guys, for this video, I'll teach you how to add music to your WhatsApp. With this tutorial, I'll help you add music to your WhatsApp status. This is a very simple tutorial and I'm sure you will learn easily if you watch the whole video. Before we start, make sure you're playing music as you're doing the tutorial. I can't play music because you won't be able to hear me. The first step is going to WhatsApp. Now go to status and then add to my status. So just tap on record. And if you do it correctly, the sound coming from your phone will pick up from WhatsApp and it will save, and then you can post it to your status. It's that simple. If you think this video was helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below.